Only on Fox, it's a procedure being done across America in hopes of achieving a better-looking chest. Breast reduction surgery is on the rise, but we're not talking about women. More and more men are going under the knife, hoping to have the body they've always wanted. Isis Romero has the story.
Images of the perfect body, a strong chest and muscular pecs. This is what many men think they're supposed to look like. But some end up looking like this instead. Saggy breasts that look like they're supposed to be on a woman.
Guys in a mall walking, and you can see actual breasts pointing, showing through their t-shirt. They're conscious of that.
Dr. Richard Fisher sees dozens of men every year who, just like women, are concerned with the size of their breasts. In some cases, the men are just out of shape. In others, it's genetic.
The commonest thing that I hear from these patients is they've had it since they were teenagers. They've always had it. They've always wanted to get rid of it, and it always embarrassed them.
In fact, it's so embarrassing that we couldn't find a patient to talk to us on camera. This man agreed to let us film his surgery, but we can't show you his face or let you hear his voice. Dr. Fisher says most of his patients have gone through years of ridicule by other men.
What they're really concerned about is not other girls, but it's the guys in the locker room who start to make fun of them.
And because of that, they'll do whatever it takes to cover up the problem.
I've had some patients, pictures of which I have, who tape their breasts so that they'll be flat, or they'll wear 2 or 3 shirts even in the heat of the summer here. So they'll go to great lengths to hide this abnormality to them.
And the greatest length of all is also the easiest, according to Fisher. Unlike for women, male breast reduction surgery is virtually pain-free and involves very little recovery time. These pictures were taken just 2 days after the surgery we showed you earlier, and Fisher says the bruising should be gone in about a week. He says he's never had a patient regret it.
Most common reaction, I should have done this years ago, because it's so easy.
Easy, and sometimes their only option.
If they just worked out, would that solve the problem?
Never, never. It will not. If they have true gynecomastia, this tissue is there and nothing will make it go away. In fact, as they reduce their body fat, it'll look worse. And that's the problem.
A problem that men are now saying goodbye to, welcoming the new and improved chest they've always wanted.
There's no reason to walk around like this. There's no reason to put up with this condition. It is easy to fix, and the results are almost universally good.
Isis Romero, Fox 10 News.
And the cost of the surgery is normally between $3,000 and $4,000, depending on the amount of fat and tissue that needs to be removed.